Hi there and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Claudia here at Interwoven Studio. And today I'm going to show you the 4 basic knots of macrame that really make up, I would say, 80 to 90% of all macrame projects. Wall hangings, plant hangers, you name it. These knots are the most common ones used and they can make so many different patterns. So first, I'm going to show you the Lark's head knot, which is the knot we use to attach your cord to the dowel. Take your cord and now you want to fold your cord in half equally. Take your ends, take them behind the dowel, over the top. Now you have the loop of the other end, put these ends through that loop and pull down. And that's the Lark's head knot. A little variation, if you take the ends and put them over the front of the dowel and down, and you have your loop, take those ends through from the back of the loop and pull that snug. This version is called a cow's hitch knot. Next, I'm going to show you the square knot. For the square knot, you need 4 cords. That would be 2 lengths attached with the Lark's head knot. These 2 cords in the middle are called the filler cords. They just hold space. The outside cords are the working cords. They're the cords that are doing all the knotting, and that happens around the filler cords. Take your left cord. You want to bring it over top of those 2 filler cords. Now you're taking your right cord on top of that cord that you just brought over. Now you bring it around behind the 2 filler cords and then through this opening on this side. And now you pull those to the top. Now you take the right cord, you go over top of the 2 middle cords. Now the left cord goes over that cord, around behind the back of the filler cords and through this opening. And you pull that snug. That is your square knot. Sometimes you hear the term left facing or right facing square knot. Now you can see that the bump is on this side of the square knot. That means it's a left facing square knot. If you started the square knot with the right cord, so go over the 2 middle cords, left cord over that cord, around the back and through the opening. And now do the left cord over the 2 middle cords, the right cord over that cord, around the back and through that opening. So now you have another square knot. This is a right facing square knot because the bump is on the right. Left facing square knot, right facing square knot. This column of knots is called a sinnet. So this is a square knot sinnet. So this is the first square knot we did, the left facing. Typically, you keep going with left facing knots. So we'll do another one. You always pull it up nice and snug to the knot above. And now do one more. Now you have a column of square knots, and this is referred to as a square knot sinnet. So now the spiral knot, it's made almost the same as a square knot. I'll show you that now. So take the left cord over the 2 middle cords, take the right cord over that cord, around the back and through the opening, and pull that snug. Now with the square knot, you would alternate and the next knot you do with this cord. However, to create the spiral, we use the same starting cord every time. So we'll take the left cord over the 2 middle cords, take the right cord over that cord and around the back. Now we'll do another one. Now you can already see it spinning. What you can do here is to add to the twist a little bit, and now you can keep working. Always still take the left cord. Even though you've twisted it, you still take the left side. Square knots in it, and this would be called a spiral knots in it. So as you can see, the square knot and the spiral knot have really different appearances, but they're made almost exactly the same. So just the slightest change in how you make a knot can really change the overall appearance. So now I've saved the double half hitch knot for last. This knot is a little bit trickier, but it's well worth learning it. It gives you so much variety. You can do so many different patterns with it. I'm going to try and break it down here so it's as easy as possible for you to learn. First, I'm showing you the horizontal double half hitch. The left cord this time will be the filler cord, and all these other cords are going to be the working cords. They're the ones doing the knotting. Take the filler cord, hold it to the right. This is very important. The direction you hold the filler cord is the direction the knot will go. Horizontal, you hold it this way. Diagonal, you hold it this way. So you're going this way. The next cord over, take it over top of the filler cord. Take the end and from the back go through that opening. Now you want to hold your filler cord and just pull that snug like that. So it's called the double half hitch because you always do 2 knots with each cord. So let's go again. Take the cord over top of the filler cord, pull it around the back again and through the opening. And now pull that snug. So let's show you again. This is going to be the working cord. Take it over top of the filler cord, around the back, and through that opening. And now pull it snug. And do it again. Now we're going to go back the other direction. So take your filler cord, hold it towards the left, take the first working cord and just go over and then down, around. So you're just doing the reverse of what we were doing before. You're going to have one direction that's harder than the other. That's just the way it is. So now we're going to go over that cord and through from the back through the opening. Take the next cord over and pull it through from the back. Always 2 times. And just do it all the way to the other side. And now I'm going to show you the diagonal double half hitch. You want to take the filler cord and hold it on the diagonal. Take the next cord and you're doing the exact same thing we've been doing before. So take it over the filler cord, around the back, and through that opening. And always twice, like I've told you a couple times already. And just keep going all the way down like that. If you want to do a second row, start again from the left side. This is now your filler cord. You will fall in love with the double half hitch knot because it gives you so much variety and you can make so many cool projects with it. Here's an example of the projects I've made with only these 4 knots. That's all I have for you today. If you want to take your new skills to make a macrame project, here's a couple easy ones I suggest to start with. Thanks for joining me today.